You know by the thumbnail, I am heading to Italy. This is the Hyderabad international departures at 1:30 in the morning. Here, look at the traffic. You see there, that's the Emirates counter, and the lines winding all the way back there and here, multiple lines. I don't know if I can make the flight here.
Bye sir.
Hello, thank you. Take care.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Yeah. Bye sir. Take care.
आपका नाम सर?
Afraz
from Pakistan. One of the best pizzas I had in a long time here. All thanks to the Ducati team here. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this. Welcome to a new vlog. In case you're wondering why I'm on a passenger seat and in a different car, you see people here. It's almost 12:45 and he's dropping me at the airport. Not just him. There is Manogna there and also Kavita and Suma. Suma is sleeping obviously.
Saparivaara sametanga
drop of send off ఇస్తున్నావు పాప వాళ్ళని ఎందుకు ఇబ్బంది పెడుతున్నావు
నువ్వురా ఇబ్బంది పెట్టేది నేను 9 గంటలకు వచ్చి చూసిన మీ ఇంటికి
flight 4:30 in the morning and he wants to drop me at the airport by 9.
Most memorable send off.
Memorable నై లాంగ్ మోస్ట్ లాంగెస్ట్ సెండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్లా చేతులు ఊపుతూనే ఉండాలి వెళ్ళరు. So as you know by the thumbnail, I am heading to Italy and I am riding a motorcycle for the first 3 days. IDLY
ఇడ్లీ కదా
ఇడ్లీ టు ఇడ్లీ టైటిల్ బాగుంది, వాడేసుకుందాం. యూరోప్ లో శివ అయితే డెఫినెట్ గా వారంలో 10 కిలోలు తగ్గుతాడు. అస్సలు ఎట్లా అంటే పిజ్జాలో కూడా దే యాడ్ ఎగ్. పాస్తా ఇస్ సంథింగ్ మేబీ యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ బట్
నన్ను కాదురా నీ సంగతి ఏంటి?
సేమ్ అదే నా పరిస్థితి కూడా. లాస్ట్ టైం ఐ సర్వైవ్డ్ ఆన్ బ్రెడ్, బటర్ అండ్ ఆపిల్ పై అనేదో డెజర్ట్ అండ్ వెనిలా ఐస్ క్రీమ్.
చాలు మేము దాంతో కూడా క్యాలరీస్
No, that was my breakfast, lunch and dinner.
See, all I need is one dish.
What?
Tasty ఉండాలి అంతే.
I asked him, can you make something vegetarian అంటే ఒకసారి ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే సాలెడ్, బేసిక్గా స్పినాచ్ సాలెడ్, మధ్యలో చీజ్ 4-5 ఇంత మైసూర్ బోండా లాగా వేస్తాడు, పైన టొమాటో జెల్లీ. Sir, this is our favorite best vegetarian food we can have.
Exactly.
And vegetarian అయ్యండి, I hate salad.
నేను అంతే. So vegetarian అంటే something should be cooked also.
It's going to be an experience. So, but first need to get into the airport, check in and finish the formalities. It's going to be 3-hour wait at the airport.
అవన్నీ కదా, పాస్పోర్ట్ పెట్టుకున్నావా లేదా?
Yeah, all good. Passport ఉంది, tickets done, money done, permit ఇంకేం permit. Weirdly I feel I'm missing some document or something. I don't know. I కూడా ఉన్నాయి, but it's just that I packed for only 7 days. So I have to do laundry and 15 days రా. 2
days పోతున్నావా? 14
days.
ఏం చేస్తావురా ఒక్కడి అక్కడ కూర్చొని నువ్వు?
మీరు కూడా వచ్చేయండి, రైడ్ చేద్దాం.
ఫ్లాట్స్ ఫర్ సేల్ అంట
వస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. ఎనీవే
ఇల్లు కొండ మాపితే ట్రిప్ వెళ్ళొచ్చు.
This is the Hyderabad international departures at 1:30 in the morning. Here, look at the traffic. There was a huge line for almost 1 kilometer and I forgot my phone in the car. The last thing I wanted to forget. Managna is getting it now, but madness here. Got into the airport after almost 15-20 minutes of wait, but once I came to the airport, just take a look at this queue. You see there, that's the Emirates counter and the lines winding all the way back there and here, multiple lines. I don't know if I can make the flight here. Luckily the security line seems small here. 2 stages done, final stage. We are building the airport of the future. I don't know about the future, but the wait time at the check-in counters, then the immigration, then the security. The time decreased eventually, but it took me almost 1 hour 45 minutes to finish the entire process. But one thing I see an improvement is, unlike last time, there are at least few more eateries in the international place. So got some coffee, very basic filter coffee, but I'm dying to get an espresso shot, man. Flight's late by 10-15 minutes, but that's okay. They'll make it up in the air once we reach Dubai. But this is the final step to board the flight here. Surprisingly not feeling sleepy at all. It's almost 4:30. Should be feeling very sleepy, but I think once I board the flight I'll probably sleep sound. Just about to board the flight and
Hi.
met Saitija. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, sir. Bye, sir.
Hello,
Take
thank
care.
you.
Thank you.
Take
Nice
care.
to meet you too.
Same here.
Yeah. Bye, sir. Take care.
The security check here was the fastest. I didn't even have to remove my laptop, cameras and all. Everything was in the bag and I got it out. Madness here, lovely. And this is how travel should be. Easy and convenient. And I think they have these advanced scanners. Never experienced such a fast transit through the security, ever. After the security, you just have to follow your flight's gate. They have a shuttle to the A15 gate, which I have to be. Finally checked into the room. It's 3:45 p.m. here. In India it's around 6:30, 6 o'clock I guess. But so almost 14-15 hours of a travel time. Kind of tired and exhausted because there was a lot of waiting this time. Even the immigration line at the Bologna airport was long. It was almost 1 hour to completely come out and finish the process. Once I came out, I thought there would be shuttles for this hotel, the hotel that I'm staying in. It's just by the airport, like 2-3 kilometers by the airport, but the shuttle timings are only till afternoon. So I had to take a cab, and the cab costed me 14 euros, which is equivalent to almost 1400 rupees. The bare minimum is anyway 11 euros. Tried Uber, same price. Idhar bhi Uber wala cancel karte. He'll ask you where is the destination, and he cancelled. So funny to notice that. Initially they didn't find my reservation, but it's on the travel agent's name, so had to do some calls. Luckily there was Wi-Fi. Anyway, we'll try to get some sleep for a while, because I think I slept 4-5 hours over the last 36 hours or so, so not enough. In case you're still wondering where I am, Ducati India invited me to attend and cover their World Ducati week, which happens every year, but this is happening after almost a duration of 4 years thanks to COVID. So it's an event between 22 to 24th. I don't want to compare it to IBW, but it is something like that. All the Ducati riders from Italy and also some parts of the world come here. There are tons of events. You're going to see what they are, and it's going to be super exciting. And thanks to Ducati India for getting me here and making this happen here. And I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy this content, and maybe this will inspire some of you to travel and experience life as a Ducatisti. Ducatista is singular, Ducatisti is plural. Italy is all about culture, and Ducatis are born here, so I'm super excited for the next 3-4 days. And after that, once my wife comes, I'm gonna stay here for another 7 days. So total trip is gonna be roughly 14 days including travel, and we have ton to explore, man. Chalo. Catch you guys in a while. Thought of initially taking a 30 minutes power nap, but that ended up being 2 hours, and I still felt so sleepy. But I didn't want to sleep, because if I sleep now, I won't get it. My body won't get adjusted to the local timings, and I'll be awake all night. That will screw up tomorrow and day after. I don't want that to happen. So sometimes when you come to locations like these, which are at least 6 to 8 hours time zone away, prepare your body and food cycles also accordingly. Anyway, this hotel is behind the airport, but it's in such a remote location where you won't get any departmental stores, any supermarket, any coffee shops, anything. Yeah, for that you have to go to the town, and I'm planning to meet some of the Ducati colleagues later in the night for dinner at their hotel. So thought I'll just go roam around there, get a SIM card, which is important thing, because I'll be staying here for 14 days. I thought I'll get a local SIM so that I can use data, book cabs and all pretty easily. And whenever I come to an international destination, the first day, if possible, I just walk and explore the town or city, because that's how you get acclimatized and that's how you get to know the local parts much faster. If you want to take the bus, you have to pay ahead of time apparently, and also get a card or something. Man, so strange. You would find better solutions if you're in like US or Canada, because you can speak the same language. Here, communication is a problem, and when you don't have internet, you just have to figure out some way to get there. If you are rich enough to have bitcoins or lost it in the last few months, this is a place where you can check your current balance.
A few moments later.
After walking for almost 2 kilometers, I was like looking for the store in the Google Maps network. The offline maps were loaded, but still it was not accurate. I couldn't find the store, but luckily I found हमारा भाई का पड़ोसी का store. आपका नाम सर? अफराज from पाकिस्तान. कहाँ से पाकिस्तान में? पंजाब गुजरात. कितने साल आ गया इधर आपको?
11 साल हो गए.
अरे इतना अच्छा इटालियन बात कर रहे तो मालूम हो गया. But he helped me give the best SIM card with the network and local calling. So sorted for now with the SIM card. If you are in Bologna anytime, please visit the store here. He definitely helped me quite a bit. Besides Sani pizza and kebab, now I have to walk again 1.5 kilometer, man. Whew, fun, but tiring. Just had some lovely dinner here at Pizzeria La Stella. One of the best pizzas I had in a long time here. But this is the first in Italy. Looking forward to more. And all thanks to the Ducati team here. Like, it's so easy to say एक CFO है, एक service का head है, MD है और marketing का है. In so casual, nice, informal way. So, the other side of the Ducati world, right?
Yes. We'd like to welcome you to World Ducati Week.
Thank you so much for
no problem.
inviting me here, sir, in person.
We hope you enjoyed the
thank
dinner.
you. Nice meeting you.
Same here.
Even if you are informal, Ducati is still here.
All Ducati brands.
No, I have exchanged it.
Italian, na, sir?
Exchange to Armani.
Italian, no?
Chalo. A lot more to see and happen in this week, so stay tuned for that. I don't know if you can hear, but that's the sound of a flight. Airport is pretty close by, but you have to still go around. It's not just walkable. So anyway, what a fun day, man. Didn't expect a Pakistani guy to help me find a SIM. In fact, the store is his. And then walk all the way back, almost 5 kilometers ka walk ho gaya aaj. Kind of tiring when you are coming from a long flight. And then meeting the Ducati India management team, the entire team. And it was so nice to see how chilled out and cool they were, man. Thoroughly enjoyed my experience. Thank you so much, guys. And also enjoyed the dinner. That pizza, man. If you like food, if you like culture, this is the place to be in. I don't want to rate the pizza also because it's a disgrace. You just have to come and enjoy it, and trust me, it was a whole different experience altogether. And having that with a chilled out gang was taking it to the next level. Anyway, talking about next level, tomorrow morning around 9:30 or 10 o'clock, I'm heading out to Rimini. So that's where the Misano track is. It's by the Adriatic Sea. That's going to be another scenic location. I'll be spending the next 3 days there, and the activities would be happening at the Misano track. And man, there is so much packed in it. I can't tell you how much I wanted to enjoy and how much I want to show that event to you guys. So in case you're new to this channel, definitely subscribe and hit that bell icon. Stay subscribed for that notifications, because it's going to be epic. We're going to do tons of activities, some exclusive stuff coming up too. I thought I would have more time tomorrow here in Bologna so that I can go to the Ducati museum here and Ducati factory store, maybe buy some stuff. But that's going to be after the World Ducati Week. And in Italy, they call it WDW because there is no W. And thanks to people, sir, who taught me a bit of alphabets and phonetics with Italian language. Anyway, too much of information. I hope you're enjoying it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. That's it for today's video. In case you're watching this night time, have a good night and take care. Ciao. Bye-bye. Oh, ciao is hi here. Ciao ciao is bye here. Such unique stuff here.